Hi, I am Rajesh Nandanwar,
Hi, I am Alok Pahune.
mechanical engineer, partner of Shree Jagdamba Hydropnumatics.
I am a production engineer and partner of Shree Jagdamba Hydropnumatics. This company is a partnership firm. We have started this company 18 years ago at Koradi, and within a year of hard work, we have shifted to Pilinadi industrial area with some more space, more manpower, and there we can explore our more products also. In 2016, then we have inaugurated our new company at MIDC Butibori. This is the place. There we have started our new product. Here we have explored so many products with new machine technology, and we got so many vendors also. Over the 18 years of experience, we got a numerous award. We are now proud to announce our new achievement that we have manufactured a 425 ton deep draw press, which is the biggest in central India, and we have proudly say that we have manufactured in Butibori MIDC Nagpur. And this machine is very energy efficient due to it's operated by its servo motor. It is 32 kilowatt servo motor and it is numerical control.